Long before LDS women were teaching the full body of scriptures over the air, Donna Max became the first woman to do so. She was presenting to a live audience one of the most comprehensive and articulate disciplines on the Holy Scriptures to date. She has done considerable research on the Scriptures for over 35 years, and for over 24 years, she has been an acclaimed speaker and one of the most accurate and inspiring lecturers of gospel truths on several different radio stations. At the time, over 150,000 people were listening to her gospel doctrine programs twice a week. Her fast-moving, meat-filled documentaries are regarded as remarkable in every way. She's careful to give adequate references and stays with authorized materials of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Her lectures and lessons have gone worldwide for many teachers, families, and students. Come listen to all of Donna Max's Doctrine and Covenants series at ComeFollowMe2021.com.